Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations were coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First level of, and one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal area, is right there at 15 cents. Ideal meaning, if you were to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up above 15 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 15, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 15, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 15, that would be great. But as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? Pretty straightforward. After today's price movement, the party stopped right up there at 18.5. So 18.5, public enemy number one going into Thursday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of, can the price start to go through some healthy consolidations and chip away with higher bases? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.